Welcome to Juniper Trails, a vibrant community by Beazer Homes where living meets smart, energy efficient designs right here at this community in Henderson, Nevada. These beautiful townhomes are crafted using charming curb appeals, durable construction, and modern architectural designs designed for today's lifestyle. Inside the properties, you will love how Beazer Homes builds a energy efficient and indoor air plus standards, ensuring a healthier and more efficient homes. Inside, they also have flexible floor plans. Oh my gosh, check out this living area and kitchen. It is open space with a balcony, and you will find that you can have a primary bedroom with a huge walk-in closet. Won't you agree? And look at this. It is so pretty. It's got you written all over it. Come check these out with us because we're going to show you all the 5 models that are available, and you can see which one you're going to fall in love with. Oh my gosh, I tell you, they are not skimping. It is high quality, beautiful, big windows, plenty of light and sunshine, and you will love it if I could show you the deconstructed Beazer Homes because of the way that they build. I absolutely love it because of our energy efficiency. They have the lowest PERS rating I've seen, as low as 9 on their scale. I've seen some of these properties where they guarantee you if you hold your HVAC at the right temperature, your power bill is only less than $43 a month. Obviously, not for every model, but it's really, really energy efficient. And I love the flexible space, and you can choose whatever you prefer for bedrooms or for an office. And I really, really think why you should live in this area. Check this out. There are so many reasons. If you're thinking about moving to Henderson, this is a great area that you might want to consider because if you live around here by the 95 freeway and Galleria Mall, you're really, really close to this Henderson Hospital. If you are a healthcare professional, literally you could walk from where you live to here. It's like 2 minutes away. It's so close. You can sleep more. So the other thing is there's plenty of shopping around here. The Galleria Mall has plenty of first class shopping, and there is Sunset Station. You can go play at the casino, and then you can also visit LVIC, which is the gym, literally less than 5 minutes away. I think it's only $5 to join. And also there is a church. It's like a mega big church down the street, literally less than 5 minutes. And oh, do you like shopping at Costco? Costco is less than 5 minutes away as well. So you're literally in and out, very easy, convenient location. There is like grocery stores. We have Asian grocery stores less than 5 minutes away. And you can also get the best American barbecue called Jesse Ray's, like on Boulder Station, Boulder Highway actually, and it's literally less than 8 minutes away. So watch this video because it's gonna show you the 2 communities, the opportunities are here, and why you should live in this area. You need more?